Greetings YouTube, Sega Zombie here and welcome back guys to another video. It's not about my new Sonic mood light, I just thought I'd put that in shot for the moment. But what we're going to take a look at and unbox together is Sonic Frontiers. Now it's been a long while since a decent 3D Sonic game. The last good one, in my opinion, was Generations, which is over a decade ago. So this is a full price Sonic Team Sonic adventure game. Is this going to be good? I've not watched any videos on this, guys. I've deliberately avoided any reviews because I want to give you and myself the first impressions of this. I actually ordered the Steelbook edition from Amazon. Now, there's a reason why this video has been delayed, and let me show you that, guys. This is my nice new shiny one. The original one come packaged in an envelope with no padding. And yeah, look at that. It's been absolutely smashed to smithereens. Yeah, it's completely knackered. So I've had to well, I've still not returned it yet. I've got a few days. I've got to return that back to Amazon. This is the nice shiny new one they sent. It all looks good, but the one thing I am noticing is the Steelbook is bigger than a Switch game. Is this just universal for all of the different releases of this? But who knows? Me nitpicking. Right, let's go for it, guys. Do we get anything else? So let's get rid of that. That's gone. Quite a plain looking Steelbook, but nice enough. Nice in the side there. I like that. That's cool. So yeah, there's the Steelbook, guys. And here we go. Sonic Frontiers. Like I said, it went at 2012 Generations. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I looked back on some of my videos and it was a number of years ago now that I done my first impressions video of Sonic Forces, which at the time was a budget game. So I was pretty lenient on it because it was a cheap game. I think it's 25 quid on day of launch. This is 50 quid. This is £50. This is a AAA release, in my opinion. If you're going to charge 50 quid for a Sonic game, then we expect a decent Sonic game, don't we, guys? Surely. So yeah, pretty generic. Nothing to shout home about with that cover, really. If I'm being truthful there. But it's a bit like that now. It's a lost art, isn't it, box art? It's not the same as it used to be. Let's open up. It's feeling pretty light. So we've got a code there, I'd imagine. Yeah, so that's the day one release code, I believe. And then obviously advertisement for Sonic 2. All very interesting. No manual, which is becoming a sad state of affairs really with modern gaming. But we won't go into that. So there we go, guys. There's the unboxing. Let's set the camera up at the TV and let's get my first impressions of Sonic Frontiers. Right, guys. So Sonic is now going into the Switch. Wow, that was quick. That was like instant. So let's press the A button on that. Oh, and a new update is available. It'll be downloaded now. So let's download that. Don't worry, I'll skip all this if it takes too long. So that didn't take very long, guys. Oh, something magical about that Sega. So we obviously want a new game. We'll go with normal. Oh, what do we do here? You can select the settings that fit your style of play. These can be changed in more detail at any time during the game options. So you can have action style, high speed style. This style is recommended for people who are not familiar with Sonic. High speed style. This style is recommended for people who are used to Sonic gameplay. Well, I think it's got to be high speed. I'm just going to get a feel for the graphics. I don't want to give any of the story away. But, you know, the cutscenes look as we expect. But let's skip that. Because I don't want to give anything away. Good old Tails in his aeroplane. Right, here we go. Straight into the action. There was some glitch in there. So let's just familiarise ourselves with the layout. Whoa, this is fast. This is fast, guys. Very nice controls. Very smooth. I have to say, this looks very nice. What do you guys think? How are you getting on with Sonic? If you've got it. Right, what we've got here. Press B to jump. Yes, we've done that. There's a little bit of jerkiness. Right, now we've got to figure out how to home on here. If the target cursor is shown on a spring to a homing attack, so Roy is homing attack. There we go. It's just getting used to the button layout on the Switch. That one good. Yes, we know this. Oh, I love it. So a nice little introduction there. Wondering if that flicker and jerkiness is part of the game. Rank D. Missed a few of the red stars, but we're not assessing the gameplay, guys. We are going to move on. But it controls lovely once we know what the buttons are. Moves really smooth. No issues with the camera. You know, this is a common problem usually with Sonic Team, and bringing Sonic to the 3D environment has always been a struggle. But there's them glitches again. I think it's intentional, guys. Yeah, definitely. Must say the rain effects are a little strange. So you can go into options to change settings such as camera angles and player controls if you find you get motion sickness. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that will... So the R helps us move around. I'd imagine that's where we started. Wow, this does feel sort of really open. There are 3 ancient switches on the ground. Activating them will earn a reward and unlock a part of the map. Okay. So it all starts off really simple. What have we unlocked here? A spiky red heart. Some of the map. Completing challenges will reveal the surrounding area on the map. Once revealed, the map will help in locating guardians, portals, and memory tokens. Open the map by pressing minus. Okay. Right. A notification may appear when Sonic is near something new. Press down while the notification is displayed to practice the action in the training simulator. So it's, you know, we're being very hand-led here. So homing Y. Yes, we know that. We learned that on the first level. So yeah, it's definitely guiding us in, which is what I don't like about modern games, to be fair, but there you go. So they drop skill pieces and seeds. Gather enough skill pieces and they will turn into skill points as shown in the lower right corner of the screen. These can then be used to learn new skills to enhance Sonic. Okay, so this is the sort of RPG type element to the game. This is looking very pretty. A little bit of cutting I'm noticing. Let's go along this rail. Okay, so we've got some baddies. Look a bit Tron, don't they? Right, so they're coming for us, are they? Oh, what's this? Look, I can fight. That's cool. Ah! Let's move on. I've tried there. So I'm taking it you can just go wherever you please. Ninja! Here we go. So this looks like Guardians are very powerful. They are bigger than normal enemies and have special attacks. Study their moves to find... Oh, here we go. Oh! So he's blocking me there. Oh! It's all very epic, isn't it? Guardians will drop a portal gear. These gears are very important, so don't forget to pick them up. Okay. So that unlocks a new door, so we're going to go through there. We're just whizzing through this, guys. I just want to see another level, really. Wow. Throws around very quickly. This is impressive looking. The Sonic team have spent a long time on this. This game has been delayed many times, which to many people's frustration, but to me it's good to see that they're doing this to make sure the game is not rushed out like Sonic Forces. Oh, this looks dangerous. The ancient gate seems to be locked. Turn the statue in front of the gate to proceed. So Y and L. And it's open. Oh, I missed it. Can't have that. Missed it again. Gotcha. Sonic's Psyloop skill can be learned. Using the skill points that have been accumulated as shown in the lower right of the screen, go to the skills menu to unlock it. Okay. So A to unlock. Hold X while moving. Run around while leaving a light trail after creating an enclosure with the light trail and releasing the button. Various effects can happen. Okay. Ah. So clearly here we've got to do something surely. So we've unlocked more of the map. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to play it a bit more along because we don't want a really long video of me just exploring what looks a really wonderful world, actually. Let's see if we can get to some more of the meat and gravy of Sonic. Here we go, guys. I've been playing for a few more minutes and it says return to the digital dimension again.
Use that here to bridge the gap between dimensions.
Unactivated portals can be activated with portal gears. Jump into the portal's pedestal to insert the portal gear. So we gained one of those, didn't we? Why? So that obviously is what unlocks our next level, is it?
It is not enough to make the connection.
Oh.
One gear will not suffice. Hunt down another target and take its gear.
So we've got to get some more gears. There's a lot to take in for a Sonic game. Tower! Right, okay. Going all out attack here, guys. Okay, so for the first time the camera is a little bit when an enemy is about to attack, a visual effect will appear running between Sonic and the enemy. Ah, I see. So that squiggle is him about to attack me. This is very Breath of the Wild, guys. You can see it's a big inspiration. So that's another gear. And this is just the first impressions. I am very intrigued, guys. I must admit, I'm intrigued. This is very different for a Sonic game. I like the open worldness.
Return to cyberspace as many times as it takes.
So this is how they break down each level, I'd imagine. This is going to be our more traditional Sonic levels, like Sonic Generations, I'm hoping. Here we go. Is a proper level. Oh, I like the music. Very Sonic. very quick. Whoa, here we go. Oh, that just knocked myself out, guys. Oh. Whoa, I want that. Remember these in colours and generations. There we go. We didn't do very well there, I don't think. But I'm liking this, guys. I'm liking this. Graphically, it's good. It's running really smooth. There was a bit of issues with the camera, but that might just be me with that boss battle. So cyberspace is where your levels are at. So there we go, guys. There's a little bit of a look of Sonic Frontiers and my first impressions. First impressions. Visually, it's looking really good and it's pushing the Switch, that's for sure. I'd like to know if it pushes graphically even more on the PlayStation 5, you know, the new generation consoles, the current gen consoles, or what it's like on the PS4 or the Xbox Series X. I'm impressed so far. I'm definitely intrigued. I'm definitely going to be playing more of this game. Going to play it all the way through. I kind of like the sort of hub open worldness to this game with all the different puzzles and things to collect. But the main meat and gravy to me, the main part of Sonic, is whether they've got the Sonic stages right. And I think they have so far in what I've seen. This looks like it's going to be quite a big game. So it's really hard, you know. I've just been playing this for a good half an hour or so just to get some first impressions and first initial thoughts of this game. And I'm pleased. You know, this is definitely way better than Sonic Forces. Is it going to be as good as Sonic Generations? I don't know. You know, the best 3D games for me were the Dreamcast games, and that was Sonic Adventure 1 and 2. And it kind of looks like Sonic Frontiers is kind of building on that Sonic Adventure sort of style, maybe a little bit. You know, the adventure side of it. It's more open world, looking like you can go along at your own pace. Some of the little graphical things I've seen, and there's a lot of pop-up and cut-in. Quite, you know, you're nearly on top of something and it just appears in front of you. I have noticed that. But these are little gripes. On a whole, I'm really impressed. The presentation of the game looks fantastic. And I'm really looking forward to playing some more. Let me know down in comments, guys, what do you think of Sonic Frontiers? I'd love to know what you guys are thinking of this game. Have you finished this game already? You know, it looks like I've got a way to go and to learn some of the mechanics and gameplay styles. But that's it for this video, guys. Until the next time, I'm Sega Zombie. Goodbye.
Sega Zombie. Sega Zombie.